Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about the simulators, which are nice for just getting a feel of the software and kind of learning how things work without having to have the piece of equipment, so you can take it home and do it at home. These come with the PCCU software zip file. You can choose to install them when you install your PCCU. The first thing you want to do is start your simulator. I have mine pinned to the taskbar here, but simulate, it'll be an executable you can find and put an icon on your desktop if you like. What you get is you get this simulated I/O panel where you can control what analog inputs you're using, what discrete input you're using, and this is the frequency, discrete on/off, and this corresponds. This is a digital input output, so you can either control it or it'll, this will change based on something that happens in the program. And here's your analog output, which is also an I/O, even though in real life it wouldn't be. This is your simulated LCD screen, which you've seen in previous videos. And so you start the it started, so it starts a web server essentially on your computer and at 127.0.0.1. And so that's what we need to connect to with PCCU. So I'll open that. Okay, here's PCCU open. This is not very important once it's running. That is how you stop it. You do connection setup. If you're currently using your serial port, you'll switch to this and make sure your IP address is, as I said earlier, 127.0.0.1. And then simply connect, and it'll connect to the local web server. And then from then on, it works just as if though it were a real piece of equipment. So you can calibrate, you can monitor, you can set up various monitors and things of that nature, and entry setup, which takes you to entry. And it comes with a flow measurement installed already and configured, two actually, an AGA3 and an AGA7. One's AGA3 being for differential pressure meter here, and then one for a turbine meter, which is AGA7. There are also Coriolis meters or Coriolis applications, but yeah, the way you use the simulator is fairly simple. You select your analog inputs here. You can have 3 of them, and you can vary those however you like. You can select your discrete output, vary those however you like, and your analog output will move according to whatever it's supposed to be moving according to. Then you can change your display or hide your display. You can hide I/O panel, hide LCD panel, and hide your total thing. And if you've hidden it and you'll notice it's not around anymore, you can find it in your taskbar thing. I don't know what that's called. So there's that. You can show your things again. Okay, so that covers the simulator.